Should you need a spiritual help from any of my invited Babalawos or other Olorishas of your choice on this channel, contact the founder of Get Yoruba Life TV on YouTube via WhatsApp number displayed on the screen. Please note that the following are the legitimate spiritual help you can get through this channel from any of our invited Babalawos and other Olorishas. Anything outside what I am about to share with you are not allowed through this channel. 1. Ifa Consultation, also known as Ifa Reading. 2. Orisha's Appeasement with sacrifice, that is, Etutu and Ebo. 3. Orisha Initiation, such as Ifa Initiation and others. 4. Spiritual cleansing. 5. And other related spirituality. Please note that we are not going to welcome any illegal or unreasonable spiritual needs from anyone through this channel, such as money rituals or any other means related to getting fast money, requesting for charms of any kind, and other related, which can be decided upon as such. A demand is known from whoever is making such a demand. Other terms and conditions are applied. Thank you and get a better life.